Hey guys, it's Melissa. Are you excited? I am. This is my first live video in a really long time. But I have a good reason. I got my pre-order. Yes! Yay! So I wanted to jump on and rip it open with you guys so you can see all of the lovely little bits that I got. Now, I do apologize if I'm a tad bit shiny. I just got home from the gym. I'm glistening from my workout. So, hi Diane! Thanks for joining. I got my pre-order and I'm about to open it right now. So, let me turn you guys around so that you can see me open it right here with you. So I only got a handful of items on this pre-order, but I'm kind of excited to play with the new stuff that I got. So open this sucker up. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Okay, so first up, I apologize for the lighting. I'm kind of in a different area and I don't have my light set up yet. Sea of Textures. So cute. Now, this is going to be offered in a bundle. However, I don't have, I did not get the thinlits. I got to use some of my rewards from Celebration, and it was a set amount, so I didn't have enough to get both at the same time. So I'll grab those later, but I'm really excited. Look how cute this little octopus guy is. Okay, and then this is a Hostess exclusive set. So you can only get this if you're a demonstrator on pre-order, or B, a host. And even if you do a $150 order on your own, that qualifies you as a host. So not hard to get this. Super pretty. I love this kind of messy doily thing right here. And then this beautiful thing there, the little bee. Look at how cute that little bee is. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then what did I get? Oh, I got some of the in color paper, the cardstock in the pack, the brand new in colors. So you can see kind of a rainbow of colors there. We've got the Blueberry Bushel, Call Me Clover, Pineapple Punch, Grapefruit Grove, and Lovely Lipstick in there. So had to get those. I already have the ink pads. And by the way, I will show you more about these ink pads in just a second. They're the new style, super fun. Okay, I also have this really cute ribbon. Can't wait to dive in and play with that. Let me show you. This is, look at how fun that is. It's almost a see-through tulle polka dot type ribbon. So it's called polka dot tulle ribbon. I was pretty spot on with that. In Whisper White. So cute. I love that. And I think that this is going to look so beautiful with the very vintage. I just think that that's going to be gorgeous. And I do apologize for my sniffling. I have allergies and there's just really no way around it. I have tried everything you can think of, and some work a little bit, some don't work at all. So you'll just have to bear with me on that one. I do apologize. Okay, so there's the ribbon. And I also got, I think this is the last product that I got. These are the tinted faceted buttons. So rip those suckers open. These are really cute. Look at how cute those are, and look at how shiny. Love it. So there's 2 different sizes and 3 different colors. So we've got the small, the orange is the small. I apologize for the lighting. The orange is the small and the large is the pink one here. Very cute. I love those. I think those are going to be super fun to play with. And then last but not least is a box of catalogs. Oh dear. Okay. So I'm sure most of you have seen the cover of this already. I did post a picture with me holding up my copy. I did get some catalogs for some of my best customers, so you guys should be receiving those soon. as soon as I can get them in the mail and out to you, along with my thank you cards that have been kind of, you know, late the last, oh, I don't know, 2 or 3 months. I do apologize for that. That is my small but beautiful pre-order. I'm very excited. So just as a quick recap for you guys just joining us, I got the, let's turn this little sucker around real quick. And again, for those just joining us, turn around. There we go. For those just joining us, I apologize for my shininess, but I just got back from the gym not too long ago, so I'm still glistening from my workout. Okay, so we've got Sea of Textures. How stinking cute is that? Oh, this little octopus is so cute. I can't wait to play with these texture pieces here. I think those are going to be really super fun. You're in a new space, get your groove back. Yeah, I know. Well, and I don't remember what box I put my lights in, so the lighting is kind of not the greatest. And so I have the window open in front of me, and then I have like my really yellow light right to the left of me. So it's kind of not the best lighting, but trying to get back in the groove, trying to work on it. Hey, Dan. Okay, so that was the first set that I got. The next set is the Very Vintage. It is a host exclusive stamp set. So cute. Love how vintage it looks. The scales will go well with the mermaids and merlins. Oh yeah, the myth, legends and myths, or yeah, whatever. I know exactly the one you're talking about, but I can't remember the name, the actual name. But yeah, won't that be beautiful, those little scales on there? Yeah, super cute. And then yes, hostess exclusive set. So to get this, you either have to be a demonstrator and get it on a pre-order, be a host and earn the rewards to claim this, or you can just place an order. And every $150 order, you qualify for rewards, which you can redeem on host sets. So I know, isn't that cute? It's so adorable. I love this little bee too. I think you're right, Diane. I think it is Myth and Magic. Something like that. I mean, I could look it up, but it would take me too long to find it. So, and then another quick recap about the rest of the items that I got. Just a couple, I have 2 little embellishments here. So I did get the polka dot tulle ribbon in Whisper White. How fun is that? Look at how cool that is. Yes. I think this is going to look really, really nice with the Very Vintage set. I think that's mostly why I got it. I also think that the other accessory that I got, or embellishment, thank you, Maria. Yes, myth and magic. It's hard for me to say that word, myth. It sounds like I'm trying to say mist with a lisp. Okay, so the other embellishment that I got were the tinted the tinted faceted buttons, and these are really pretty. They come in 3 colors, like the like a I don't know if these are the actual colors. I'll have to look it up. It's like a peekaboo peach or a grapefruit grove, maybe calypso corally kind of orangish color, and then a pink like flirty flamingo, maybe like a light melon mambo, and then a green like maybe not wild wasabi, because that color retired, but maybe like an old olive, or it's hard to tell. It's brighter than an old olive. Maybe call me clover, one of the new colors. So those are the embellishments that I got to go along with those stamp sets. And then I also did get a package of the 2018-2020, the new in colors, and it's one of the assorted packages of cardstock, plus the box of catalogs. So that is what I chose to get on my pre-order. So that's the pre-order. I just wanted to jump on and tell you guys hi, and ooh, shiny, look at the stuff. That's it for now. I hope you guys have a lovely evening, and I will see you guys hopefully very soon. So have a good night, guys. Bye.